Hmm? Anything? Yeah. Hmm? Is that this one though?
I don't know if that's 134 or 135. That might just be 134.
Hello? Hi, how are you?
Good.
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
We got a call. There's a lot of noise coming from your apartment.
They're always calling.
Okay.
Everything's good though.
Everyone's alright?
Yes.
Is anyone else home with you?
Just the babies and my boyfriend.
Okay. Is your boyfriend here?
Yeah.
Can I speak with him?
Yeah. Babe! Babe! They just want to make sure everything's okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just pregnant. Just
Okay.
moods, you know.
Alright.
But that's what we get.
Hello?
He's coming up.
Oh, okay. Mind if I come in some letting the heat up?
Huh?
You mind if I come in some letting the heat up? Hey, how's it going? Good. We just got a call. There's a lot of noises and stuff like that. Everyone's okay?
Yeah, it's, my wife's pregnant, so she just be having mood swings. And
Okay.
I be trying to calm her down.
Okay. Things happen.
I'm at the end, so
Okay.
it's difficult.
All right. Well, I haven't met you guys real quick. I'm just going to write your names down, say I spoke with you, and get out of your hair, okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Say hi, baby.
Everything's okay. It's okay. How old are you?
Say 3.
3? 2? One more? There you go. Oh, okay.
It's okay.
All right. What's your name?
Carla. Bodycam.
Okay.
RLA.
And Carla, what's your last name?
Garcia.
And your birthday, Carla.
6196.
And sir, what's your name?
Jonathan.
J.O.
Jon is what I mean. Jonatan.
And Jonathan, what's your last name?
Nanita. Nanita.
And your birthday.
9/29, 1995.
Okay. How long you guys been staying here?
Almost a year.
Yeah.
Okay. Things are good.
Yeah.
Sometimes the walls are, you live in apartments, walls are
Yeah,
thin
we always hear
sometimes.
complaints.
Yeah.
They've been complaining since we first moved here, so.
Okay, so it's not the
We're
first.
planning on moving.
Okay.
We're actually moving.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, because of that.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, sometimes with apartments, you really can't choose your neighbors, right? So if someone is living one way, someone lives another way, and sometimes it just clashes. So just give me a minute, okay?
All right.
Just hang on with them real quick. What's your name? Forward two names.
You guys have any other problems with any neighbors or anything like that? It's just like noise.
First one, last name Garcia, common spelling, first name
That's it.
Carla, Karla,
Get back for a
6196. Last name Nanita, Nanita, first name Jonathan, common spelling.
Is this your only
9/29/95.
Wait, I have a son.
Son too.
He's upstairs. He's 1. Oh, he just turned 2. I'm sorry.
Keep you guys busy.
Oh yeah.
You guys got
Right.
a place you're going to?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You really got Yeah.
It's better. Well, we came from New Britain. It's better over there because we don't
Right.
have no complaints at all.
Yeah, it's a little bit different area. People are a little less likely to want to call for some noise and stuff like that.
Right.
Have a good night, we're out of here.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate
Bye.
it. You know.
You
Sorry.
guys have a good new year.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No problem at all.
have a happy holidays.
All right.
Same to you guys.
Enjoy you guys' night. All right.
You as well. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Take care.